My name is Gabriel Gary Joseph, and today I'm gonna show you my final year project, which is Fingerprint door lock. Before I turn on and test my model, I'm gonna introduce to you each component. So this is fingerprint sensor R307. This is Arduino Uno. This is solenoid lock. This is transformer 1 ampere. This is relay 5 volt, and this is my power supply circuit. So as you can see, I have my name on it and then my chronometric numbers. I made this power supply circuit on my own. Yeah, you can see it. LED green and red, and lastly a buzzer. This is my fingerprint door lock model. I have stored 3 finger ID inside the Arduino Uno. Let me show you how it works. So my right thumb finger as ID number 1. I store my thumb left finger as ID number 2. I store my third ID with my index left finger. When user enter the right finger on the fingerprint sensor, the LED will turn to green and the solenoid lock will open. The green LED will turn on for 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds the buzzer will make a sound for 1 second. After buzzer make a sound, the solenoid lock will turn off or will close. If user do not put their finger correctly or doesn't cover all of the fingerprint sensor, the LED will remain red and also solenoid lock will remain closed, while buzzer will buzz or make a sound for 8 seconds.